Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a new service on Legiit. So Legiit is basically Fiverr alternative freelance platform where you can sell your services and you can earn a lot of money. So here you can see, click on services, and after that just you can see here manage your services as well as trash services. You can also create new service. So just click here, and after that let's create a new service, and I want to create a service for the content writing. So just I can type website content writer article writing service. Then after that here I can give a subtitle. I will write website content or provide, just I can keep it article writing service. Then here I can select the category writing, then for the subcategory okay, then click here save and continue. And then here you can see, just I want to add one packet for now. $500 words content writing. So just I can add one more word, unique content writing, delivery days 1 day. Then scroll down, price I can add 20, then unlimited revisions, then scroll down, save and continue. And here I can also add website content title. Then again for the description, then for the long description just I can add here write description for my services. So guys, here you can see how is to create a content using ChatGPT. Just I can copy and after that I can go and add here, scroll down, then save and continue. So guys, here I can add website content writer. So this one be tag, scroll down, then save and continue. And then for the requirements, so just I can add please provide topic, then save and continue. Then add the image. So for the image just I can go in Canva, and I'm using Canva Pro. So just I can search for content writing, and I can pick up one template for the content writer. So just I can select this one, customize the template, and here I can replace the text content writing service. Just I can adjust it, then I can remove this one. So after that I will optimize it. So this is just now for the practice. Then I can export it. So guys, I need to download it in the PNG form. So let me change the format. Here you can see I can select JPG as well as PNG. Then let me download, and after that let me see if the image is ready. So just I can extract the image. And after that, here you can see these are the images. So just I need first one. So let me go and select. So guys, here you can see images edit, then scroll down, and after that save and continue. So guys, here you can see service is created and it is in the pending. So it will be published after the approval.